So here we will start from the location and latitudinal extent. So India extends from 8 degree to 38 degree, and at times in winter the sun is beyond the 0 degree. So the monsoon will be reversed and rainfall will not occur. But when the sun is at the ITCZ zone, here it's like ITCZ zone in June time, okay? So this will create a low pressure there, okay? And the rainfall will occur, okay? So it's second thing is distance from the sea, okay? So for distance from the sea, we will see that how did this affect, because we know every time that air travels from high pressure to low pressure, okay? So what happens that water remains cool, okay, because it's a lot of penetration. The sunlight has to go deep beyond the earth's surface, deep beyond the ocean surface, so the ocean remains cool. The maximum temperature goes to 22 to 25 degrees Celsius maximum, but the land surface become warm when I'm talking about the summer season, okay? So land surface become warm, so this becomes low pressure because warm surface, and so air started rising, and here is the high pressure because the pressure difference is 25 degree, and let's say in the Barmer you have here that 44 degrees Celsius reached in June, so the winds will be traveling from high pressure to low pressure, okay? So this will happen, okay? So we are going to the third. How does the North Mountain Range affects? So from here, Pamir Knot, okay? So here is Pamir Knot, okay? So from here, the Himalaya is extended eastward, okay? So whenever the rainfall occurs, in Indian Ganga plain is due to the terrain of mountains that we also known as mountain rainfall, okay? So the air going toward the Himalayas is struck, and the rainfall occurs in the Ganga plains, and as we all knows, here is Cherrapunji, and due to the air trapped here, so the rainfall occurs here very much, okay? So this valley in Meghalaya Valley, the air gets trapped and the rainfall what happened, and the monsoon wind. So we will discuss it in very brief. Uh, Other thing will be the upper air circulation. Okay, this is westerly jet stream and easterly jet stream. We will talk about it in next video. What's the role of the tropical cyclones? So tropical cyclones are generally occurred in the November months very much. Just like you have here the cyclone, Hudhud, and many much more. So what happened that this area remains low pressure, okay, and the sun is going towards the 0 degree, and here is the water surface. So due to the differential pressure, okay, so the air start moving inward, and due to Coriolis force also, so the formation of cyclone occur, and this moves towards the coast, and generally the location is like this path of the cyclone, okay? So next is about El Nino. We will talk about this in next video. Other one is teleconnection. So this is basically about the IOD, Indian Ocean Dipole moment. So what happens that this is India, and from here you will Vietnam and other countries. Okay, so Russia and so what is this IOD? Here is Indian Ocean. Okay, so this part is Indian Ocean, and this is Australia. Okay, let's see, this is Australia. Let's see, and this is Pacific Ocean. So what happens that there is a horizontal circulation of the wind will occur. Okay, this is we call teleconnection, and basically teleconnection means that connection which occurs from very distant place. It's not like that from the just like here winds are blowing from ocean surface to wind surface. It's just very distant places, so thousands of kilometer. Here is Indian Ocean, and the connection is getting established for the Pacific Ocean here. So basically, this is if in winter, if in winter, just hear it carefully. If it in winter, the temperature is very low. I mean, there is a high pressure existing. Then it will be a bad year for India, because in next monsoon the rainfall will not occur very much. This is also teleconnection. So we have discussed about teleconnection, IOD, La Nina, and El Nino. We will discuss about this in next topics.